In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to fix the paper jam issue on the Epson L3156, which also triggers blinking lights and displays error code 030005 on your computer.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Here you can clearly see the Epson L3156 with the blinking lights indicating a paper jam. On the computer screen, error code 030005 appears, showing that the printer cannot feed paper properly. In this video, I will guide you step by step to safely remove the jammed paper and fix this error so your printer works perfectly again. First, turn off the printer and unplug the power cable from the printer. Then, carefully remove the right side cover of the printer to access the internal paper path. Make sure to keep the cover and screws in a safe place to avoid losing any parts. Now, carefully disconnect the printer's power supply and replace it with a new one. You can also use a compatible power supply from a similar model, such as the Epson L3110, because the power supplies in this series are interchangeable and work the same way. Make sure all connections are secure before proceeding. After reconnecting the power cable and USB or network cable to the printer, turn the printer back on. Wait patiently while the printer initializes and prepares for operation. Make sure there are no blinking lights or error messages before proceeding to the next step. Now you can see that the printer successfully resumes any canceled print jobs. The main issue was the power supply, and replacing it restored the printer to normal operation. This simple fix clears the blinking lights, removes error code 030005, and ensures smooth printing again. And that's how Device Doctor solves the paper jam and error 030005 quickly and safely. Follow these steps carefully, and your printer will work smoothly again. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your questions in the comments below.